welcome back. Buddy, you were talking about training your customers so that they can stick with you.
Right.
You make more money, they make more money as well.
Correct.
So let me swing back to your managing director. Sure. Doyle, the federal government's talking about increasing local content participation in industry-wide generally. So now, you plan to move some aspects of your manufacturing to Nigeria within 2 to 3 years, or have you already done that?
It's a process. Since 2014, we've started the process already. There are a few products under our range right now that we found we've started doing manufacturing on a small scale.
Can I just ask you, what are the things you produce?
Okay, we produce chemical products, specialty chemical products, and then some commodities as well. The specialty refers to chemicals such as boiler water treatment chemicals, cooling water chemicals, wastewater treatment chemicals, and pre-treatment systems also for RO treatment and so on. A whole range. Products range to maybe up to about 5,000, depending on where you want to, what you want to focus on. But right now, with the main products we're bringing cover those broad range of systems that we've just defined. In Nigeria now, we are able to produce some biocides. Okay, those are basic technologies that like chlorine and so on and so forth. Chlorinating, manufacturing chlorine in North America, for example, and bringing it to Nigeria at 12.5%. Before it gets here, always the customer will always complain because it has lost some potency. So here it's not rocket science. It's basically something that can be produced. It's just the system needs to be the right system to make sure that whatever, like atomization, we found to be very, very effective in producing chlorine. And so once we are able to find a partner that we can do that with in the country, we decided the person is expanding his own plant, while some of our engineers are working with them to produce for us. We are moving part of the water-based products primarily first to Nigeria, after which the more advanced technologies will follow. So it's a scaled-up system where we started from 2014. By 2018, we are going to be bringing our first blend plant, the major one, not the small one that we have. That's like a demonstration system for little production right now.
Okay, Buddy, in November, your company is registered to participate in the Water Technology Conference holding in Dubai.
In Dubai,
yeah,
right.
And you are hoping to showcase made in Nigeria service to the rest of the world.
Exactly.
What do you hope to achieve?
There you do have an opportunity to meet other companies, meet your competitors, and also meet customers and clients from around the world. Most importantly, engineering houses, construction people show up to these seminars and conventions to see what is the latest state-of-the-art technology in water treatment and process treatment chemicals and equipment and associated processes. So what we're there for is also to put our name on the map, meet these people, because a lot of these people that are engineering houses and construction people come to countries such as Nigeria to build. So it's nice to let them know that there is a local manufacturer here in Nigeria that can help supply your systems.
Here, here.
And how do you manage waste from your manufacturing? I mean, you say you do water treatment. How do you manage the waste from water and the waste from your chemicals?
In any plant, you ought to have a waste treatment system. Fortunately for us, part of our product is to treat the waste. We've done several startups here in Nigeria, starting from several power plants that have been started here to treat the waste, to be able to use polymers and other products as well to resolve it. The FEPA, it used to be called FEPA, the names are always changed, the Federal Environmental Protection Agency. Yes. They have regulations, and there's worldwide standards as well in terms of what effluent that you can discharge into the environment. So those ones are strictly monitored by the regulators, but our engineers and technologies are there to treat the water to the level before they can release it back to the environment. Most of the water in a plant, you recirculate, you treat to recirculate them, so that you don't have to lose energy and then some of the chemicals that are still left in the effluent that you would have thrown away. So if you resolve it to the level to which you can reuse it, you can reuse it. But some of them you are unable to reuse. If you can treat it to safe effluent discharge levels, you can allow it to the environment. So that's part of the strategy we have.
All right, thank you very much. We've been speaking with the Chairman, Blue Seal Energy Services Incorporated, Buddy Kingston, and Doyle Edeni, Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer of Blue Seal Group of Companies. Thank you for speaking with us. We wish you well at your seminar, at the exhibition in Dubai.
Thank you very much.
And your expansion plans here in Nigeria.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So much. We'll be back in a moment. Please don't go away.